Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to search for day tours on the Trip.com application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, click on the home button down below and then click on attractions and tours. After that, you should select your destination. You can use the search bar or this arrow pointing downwards at the top below the search bar, and after that click on day tours, which is the second option. After that you can check out the tour options here, and all of the results are available. You can sort them by top rated, most booked, lowest price, highest price. You can also set the departure time and the departure city as well. Click on the relevant one that you are interested in, and then you will be able to see all of the relevant information and details. And if you want, you can book it by clicking on the book now button, and then you will be able to book your tour. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.